Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of My Diary app. We click on settings. Here on this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above we can search about My Diary app and you can click. Here on this page of app info you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. Like this you can turn on. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.